Hey, to the whole world. It's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of my life programming school. Right now, I'm about to dive into exercise 4.3. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet to my website, you won't be able to access all the subsequent exercises. You'll only be able to go as far as this one here, okay, which is exercise 4.3. Same thing applies with the subsequent chapters. You will only have access to the first three exercises, which I strongly don't recommend. The reason being, you see, as I'm solving exercises, the level of complexity increases as I go on. Meaning, exercise 4.1 is way too trivial compared to exercise 4.6. Okay, basically, the last exercise is the imperative one. Okay, so that's gonna be it, you guys. Enough. Let me jump on to the problem on hand. Enough words. A store charges $12 per item if you buy less than 10 items. Okay, if you buy between 10 and 99, the cost is that per item. If you buy 100 or more items, the cost is $7 per item. Write a program that asks the user how many items they are buying and prints the total cost. Okay, I've already created a file here where I'll write my code. So I'll simply go number of items, eval input, enter number of items. If number of items is less than or equals to 0, then of course that right there will result in an error. Invalid number of items. However, if that is not the case, then now let me have a variable. I'll call it price, the total price. Okay. Now I'll check if number of items is less than 12, is less than 10. We're told that the price will be number of items multiplied by what? 12. Now if number of items is less than, if it is greater than or equals to 10 and number of items is less than 100, is that right? Let me go check. If you buy 100 or less, okay, if you buy between 10 and 99, okay, so that's the condition I'm taking care of. My price will be, let me copy that up there, I'll paste it down there, and I will multiply my price by 100, by 10 I mean. Now if Yebo. Now if number of items is greater than or equals to 100, in that case I will charge 7 rand per item. I mean $7. It's just that you guys, I'm used to my currency. Okay. I'm a South African, by the way, if you did not know that. So total cost is gonna be price is gonna be equals to price. Here's the tricky part, you guys. You see, if ever we get some, let me run this and then talk about this later. Number of it's 5. So since number of item is 5, which this is the condition that's gonna get executed first and it will hold, so our price is gonna be 5 multiplied by 12, which is 60. Okay, there's something that I don't quite like about the solution, and that is it also accepts negative numbers. Okay, it doesn't actually. It doesn't. Okay, interesting. Okay. So I guess that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. But you see, all of these if statements are independent. Okay, which is probably not what we want. Okay, because again, there's no way in hell we could have, more than one condition out of these 3 can hold. Only one of these 3 is gonna hold. Hence, a better approach is needed. Okay, so if you wanna check it out, stay tuned. I'm gonna give it to you guys on the next tutorial. Cheers, I'm gone.